10 minutes. I'll take the speed max part. After that, I'll go into the session speedily. Let's check. What you take today here is nothing but percentages. So what is meant by percentage?
Per 100.
Percent per 100, simply percent in the sense per 100, per 100, per every 100 division, how you take the value, basically what is called a percentage. Basically there is a point. Clear? Now how you take this percentage calculation, that's very important. Basically what is that percentage calculation, how you take it, what you learn from the school studies, how you write it, that point. For example, what is x percent of y? And then some, if I ask you what is x percent of y, how you write that point?
X by 100 into y.
X by
100 into y.
Yeah, what is x percent? మనకి ఎంత కావాలి x percent, దేంట్లో కావాలి, y లో కావాలి. సో టోటల్ y value if I take it, in that I require 100% కదా, each 1% అంటే y by 100, like that how much you require x percent. So what you write, x into y by 100. సేమ్ వే అలాగే what is y percent of x అడిగా అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏం రాస్తాం,
y by 100 into x.
Same. Here also what you write, y into x by 100 I write it. Here also the what you write, y by 100, yx by 100, both are same, na? What is x percent of y, what is y percent of x? Can I say that x percent of y is equal to y percent of x? Can I say that x percent of y is equal to x percent of y? Y percent of x?
No, sir.
Yes sir, no?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు 20% of 30 ఉంది, 20% of 30 రాసిన, 30% of 20 రాసిన, రెండు సేమ్ అంటున్నాను, అవునా కాదా?
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
20% of 30 అంటే ఏం రాస్తాను, 20 into 30 by 100, 600 by 100, 6. So each 10% is 3 and 20% is 6. 30% of 20 అంటే 30 into 20 by 100, same. Otherwise each 10% is 2, 30% అంటే 3 2s are 6. Can I get the same? Yes, obviously same. Remember this point. ఈ పాయింట్ ఎందుకు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోమంటే, x% of y రాసిన, y% of x రాసిన, as per the calculation both are same here. Whatever you done in the case of x% of y, whatever you done y% of x, both are same. Most of the people will confuse in this point. That's why I'm giving a clarity on this point. Whether you done x% of y, whether you done y% of x, both the cases will be same. So ఎందుకు ఈ పాయింట్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం, why we are discussing only that point in the sense, let's check. Sometimes they will ask you what is 20% of, let it be 0.7, 0.8, like that. So we can take this case. Otherwise sometimes they will ask you what is 0.7% of 20. Clear? మీరు ఇది చేసినా ఒకే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. 20% of 0.7 చేసినా, 0.7% of 20 చేసినా, in both the cases will get what here, same answer. మనకి ఏది ఈజీ అయితే క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ కట్ చేస్తాం. So whichever is easy for calculation, that point we do it. Clear? So this is what is percentage basically. అసలు percentage ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలనేది. సో ఎలా చేస్తే percentage calculation easy అవుతుంది, we'll understand that point next. Is that clear? What is x% of y, what is y% of x?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. So in order to take any percentage, always simple, only one point, yeah, split the number. Ante always we require 10% of the number and 1% of the number. If you know how to take a 10% of the number, as well as if you know how to take a 1% of the number, then the calculations, it will be very easy for you. Enduko a point cheppanante, 10% ఏ కేసులో అయినా చాలా ఈజీ కదా. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, if you want to write 10% of 800, 10% అంటే ఎంత, 1/10 of the value. So 10% easily I can take it. 10% of 800 ఎంత,
80.
80. 0 తీసేయడమే కదా, only you have to remove 1 0. Like that any case we can take it. For example, if I ask you 10% of 400, 10% of 400 ఎంత, 40. 10% of 40, 10% of
0.4.
0.4, 10% of 0.4,
0.04.
0.04 కదా. Yes or no? 10% of 40 is 4, 10% of 4 is 0.4. Every time we are taking one decimal less, and 10% of 0.4 is 0.04. So why I'm taking 10% of the values, in the sense, if we know how to take a 10%, all the 10% multiples easily we can take it. For example, ఈ కేసు ఉండి, if I ask you what is 20% of 80,
16.
So how we write it? 10%, I know it's very easy, 8. 10% 80 అయితే 20% ఎంత రాస్తాను? I can write it as a 16. Similarly, if I ask you what is 30% of 90, how we write it here? If 10% is 9, then 30% I can write 27. Now tell me, what is 40% of 12?
48, sir.
4.8.
Huh?
4.8.
Basically 10% 1.2 అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. Let's understand that point. 10% it will be 1.2, then 40% it will be how much here? 4.8. 40% it will be 4.8. Is that point is clear?
Yes, sir.
So any doubt
Yes,
in
sir.
that? So that means what we can understand here, if you know how to take a 10% of the number, is it clear that point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we can take it any number, somewhat complex numbers also we can take it. For example, if I ask you, what is 30% of, let it be 232. Now tell me what is this case. Very simple point. What I need is nothing but you have to solve it without pen and
9.6.
paper. That's it. Okay, 10% ఎంత? 23.2 అంతేనా? 10% ఎంత? 23.2. 30% కావాలంటే ఏం రాయాలి? ఇంటూ 3 రాయాలి.
2, 3.
So 3 2s are 6 and 3 23s are 69.6. This is how you take it, 30% of 232. Like that, any case, without pen and paper you can do it. For example, if I ask you what is 40% of 24, what is 40%? 10% it will be 2.4.
7.2.
2% అంటే into 4 కదా. 24 4s ఎంత? 96, which will be 9.6. Similarly, let us understand, if you know how to take a 10%, parallelly we have to understand how to take a 1% of the number. 10% వచ్చిందంటే 1% కూడా రాయొచ్చు కదా. So 1% of 700. 10% అంటే we are removing 1 0. 1% అంటే ఎన్ని zeros తీసేయాలి? 2 zeros కదా. By 100 అన్నమాట. 10% in the sense what we are taking by 10 it is, and 100, that is nothing but 1% in the sense you are right by 100.